Man to Fish channel here, and today we are going to be making smoked chicken wings. This will be a dry rub, probably about a 2 to 3 hour smoke on an offset smoker, Oklahoma Joe. Let's see how it turns out. Here we go with the ingredients. Obviously, wings, kosher salt, olive oil, paprika, chili, chopped onion, garlic, onion powder, cumin, and black pepper. And I do 2 sets of wings. I split the chicken between the drumstick looking part right here and the flat, and I leave the little wing flappy here because it makes a nice handle. Sorry guys, I forgot one ingredient there. That's the cayenne pepper. So that needs to go in as well. And again, just like everything else, put in according to your taste, how spicy you like it. So I don't know if you caught it in the time lapse there, but I coated them with the olive oil, mixed them up, spread that around, make sure all the surfaces are covered. Then I do the same thing with the spices, just tumble them around. So for right now, we've got the grill sitting at around 190, 200 degrees. We'll load the chicken in, let it sit in there for about an hour, and then we'll gas it up to 300 degrees and see if we can get that outside to crispy up nice. And however long that takes, anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, and they should be done. If it doesn't get the crisp that I'm looking for, I will go ahead and go over here on the old Oklahoma Joe combination grill and fire them up on some propane. There we go. There they all are loaded in. I'll flip them over, rotate them around. There's hot spots in this grill, particularly up there on the offset smoker side. We'll come back in an hour. All right, it's been an hour and we're cranking that heat up. We're gonna get them flipped over. And yeah, we probably have about another hour and a half to go. So we'll get them rotated around and get that temperature cranked up. All right, so let's open everything up. Get some heat going. Starting to lose my daylight. Got another 45 minutes. Let's give them a little flip around and they should be done. All my light's gone now, but my worry about them crispying up nicely, unfounded. Let's see how they taste. I've made them into 3 different types. One being just the straight dry rub. This being a typical buffalo wing, hot wing sauce. And this being my own homemade Carolina habanero sauce. The plain wings with the dry rub, and the other 2 were tossed in their sauces. There's mine. Brian's Tidewater habanero. Now my jar says habanero. I used to say habanero barbecue sauce. There it goes. Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm going to enjoy these wings. Click like and subscribe if you did enjoy the video.